Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Audi A1 from any screen. Here we go. We've got these two buttons here. You click them forward and backwards. So it's two buttons but four options. You knock the left one forward for nav or map, like nav. If I click it again, where would you like to go? Home address and so on. So here, you click it forward, it's on map, nothing there to see. You'll see there's a menu at the side, so if I click over there, we can click from map to switch to destination entry. So we'll do it this way, or you can just click again, click forward. So switch to destination entry, like so. We get back to the same screen. That's the map. If you click it again, you go back to that screen. So that's the easy way, sorry. Where would you like to go? Home address. It looks like there's a couple of others, a couple of other addresses there that we'll try and knock out. So here you go, where would you like to go? And there's a plus there. If I knock it to the side, open speller, we don't want that. So click on enter. It now brings you up the menu here. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston, P R. We now need numbers. There you go. We wind it across till we get see 1, 2, 3 there, and then select 1, 2, 3. So we're PR5 4. We need to go back to the alphabet. We wind it along until we come to the alphabet. E A. PR5 4EA. So that's what we want. PR5 4EA. We knock this down. It then highlights GB Preston PR5 4EA. That's what we want. Select it. Start route guidance. Start route guidance. That's giving me the fastest. It's giving me 3 routes. The fastest route, medium route. So we'll select the fastest route. So you will have noticed it didn't give us any audible instruction. There's a plus up here. We knock. In order to get to the plus there, you can't select it by turning this. You have to knock the rotary selector across to the right. Knock it across to the right. That's where you can stop route guidance if you get close to your house and you don't want it to keep interrupting. But it brings up another menu: map settings, route criteria, voice guidance, navigation settings, Audi connect at this low or exclude route. So what we want is voice guidance. We highlight voice guidance, select, and you'll see their voice guidance is off. So we click on that. Off, traffic, compact and complete. Click on complete. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's way too complicated.
Please drive to the route shown.
But now we've got the voice. I hope that was clear. It's an awkward system to work with, I've got to say, but that's how you do it. Anyway, to get back to the map, we just click back like so, back, and we're on the map, and